Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Study links female infertility to future cardiovascular problems. Women who experience infertility are more likely to develop heart and blood vessel conditions later in life, with younger women and those who undergo fertility treatments at a greater risk. The findings, presented at the first joint congress between the European Society of Pediatric Endocrinology (ESPE) and the European Society of Endocrinology (ESE), highlight the importance of considering a woman's reproductive history when assessing her long-term heart health. Approximately 1 in every 6 people of reproductive age worldwide is estimated to experience infertility in their lifetime. Treatment of infertility often involves in vitro fertilization, IVF, and other types of assisted reproductive technology, ART. In this study, researchers looked at 21 studies involving 178,828 women with infertility and 3,398,781 women without fertility issues that associated female infertility with cardiovascular disease later in life. Fatty liver disease risk 46% higher in women with menopause before 45, study finds. Women who experience menopause before the age of 50 and especially before the age of 45 are more likely to develop fatty liver disease and its related metabolic risk factors within 1 year after menopause, according to research presented at the first joint congress between the European Society of Pediatric Endocrinology (ESPE) and the European Society of Endocrinology (ESE). This study is the largest to assess this association over 5 years and suggests that the age of natural menopause should be considered part of the cardiometabolic risk assessment in women. Most women experience menopause between the ages of 45 and 55 as a natural part of biological aging. After menopause, women are at a higher risk of long-term health problems such as fatty liver disease and its related metabolic risk factors, also known as metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, MASD, a condition caused by a buildup of fat in the liver. Can just a few nights of poor sleep increase your risk of heart disease? Even a few nights with insufficient sleep promote molecular mechanisms linked to a greater risk of heart problems, finds a new study in which the researchers investigated how sleep deprivation affects biomarkers, in this case proteins, associated with cardiovascular disease. The study was published in the journal Biomarker Research. A chronic lack of sleep is a growing public health problem, and in large population studies, it has been linked to an increased risk of heart attack, stroke, and atrial fibrillation. The authors studied 16 healthy young men of normal weight. They all had healthy sleep habits. The participants spent time in a sleep laboratory where their meals and activity levels were strictly controlled in 2 sessions. In one session, participants got a normal amount of sleep for 3 consecutive nights, while during the other session, they got only about 4 hours of sleep each night. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.